Thinking about buying a house but don't know where to start? I've got you. In this video, I'll break down the 11 essential steps to buying a home, stress-free and with confidence. Before you start dreaming about your perfect kitchen, or picturing yourself relaxing in a cozy living room, it's important to pause and ask yourself, are you truly ready to take on the responsibility of homeownership? Buying a home is a huge milestone, but it's also a major commitment that requires careful planning and preparation. Let's make sure you're not just emotionally ready, but also financially prepared to make this big step. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement, but being realistic about your situation is crucial. First, do you have a steady income and job security? Consistent employment is the foundation of a successful home purchase, because it shows lenders you can reliably make your payments month after month. Lenders want to see that you're not just able to afford a mortgage today, but that you'll be able to keep up with payments for years to come. They'll look closely at your employment history and financial stability. Next, check your debt-to-income ratio. Aim for 43% or lower. This means your monthly debts, including your future mortgage, shouldn't take up more than 43% of your gross income. If you're above that, consider paying down debts before applying. Your credit score matters too. Shoot for 700 or above for the best rates. A higher score can save you thousands over the life of your loan, so it's worth checking your credit report and fixing any errors. If your score needs work, take time to improve it now. Paying bills on time, reducing credit card balances, and avoiding new debt can all help boost your score over time. Remember, being prepared both financially and mentally is key to a smooth home buying journey. Take the time to get your finances in order, and you'll be ready to turn your dream of homeownership into a reality. Let's take a closer look at what you can truly afford when it comes to buying a home. It's easy to get swept up in excitement, but making a smart decision starts with understanding your real financial picture, not just what the bank or lender tells you. Banks might approve you for a bigger loan than you're comfortable with, but that doesn't mean you should stretch your budget to the limit. Their numbers don't always reflect your day-to-day reality or your personal goals. Start by using a home affordability calculator. Plug in your income, debts, and the amount you've saved for a down payment. This will give you a clearer sense of what fits your unique situation. Experts recommend keeping your total housing costs, like mortgage, taxes, and insurance, at or below 30% of your net income. This helps ensure you have enough left over for other essentials and unexpected expenses. Don't forget, homeownership comes with extra costs beyond your mortgage payment. You'll need to budget for property taxes, homeowner's insurance, regular maintenance, and occasional repairs. These can add up quickly if you're not prepared. Make sure you're also setting aside money for your lifestyle and future goals, like travel, hobbies, or building your savings. Owning a home shouldn't mean sacrificing everything else you enjoy. By staying realistic and planning ahead, you'll be able to enjoy your new home with confidence, knowing you're not putting your financial well-being at risk. Let's talk upfront costs. When you're buying a home, it's easy to focus on the price tag, but there are several other expenses you need to be ready for before you get the keys. First up is your down payment. This can range from as little as 3.5% for some loans to 20% or more for conventional mortgages. The more you put down, the lower your monthly payments will be, and you'll also save on interest over the life of your loan. Saving for a bigger down payment can really pay off in the long run, but if you put down less than 20%, you'll likely have to pay private mortgage insurance, or PMI. This is an extra monthly cost that protects the lender, not you, and it can add up quickly. Make sure you factor this into your budget so you're not caught off guard. Next, don't forget about closing costs. These are the fees and expenses you'll pay to finalize your home purchase, and they usually run between 2% and 5% of the purchase price. That can be several $1,000s, so it's important to plan for them early. Closing costs include things like the appraisal fee, loan origination charges, title insurance, and more. Each of these fees serves a different purpose, but together they can add up fast. Ask your lender for a detailed estimate so you know exactly what to expect. Make sure you have enough cash set aside for all these expenses, not just your down payment, but also closing costs and any immediate repairs or moving expenses. Having a financial cushion will help you feel more secure as you transition into your new home. Planning ahead and understanding all the upfront costs will save you from surprises at closing and help you start your homeownership journey with confidence. Get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start house hunting. A pre-approval letter shows sellers you're serious and gives you a clear budget. It makes the whole process smoother and helps you focus on homes you can actually afford. Don't go it alone. Find a great real estate agent. A good agent is your coach, negotiator, and paperwork expert. The seller usually pays their commission, so their help is free to you. Interview a few agents and pick someone you trust and who knows your area well. Now start touring homes. Define your must-haves and nice-to-haves first. Take notes, ask questions, and compare price per square foot for value. Don't rush, find the right fit for you. Found your dream home? Time to make an offer. Your agent will help you set a fair price and negotiate terms. Everything's negotiable: repairs, credits, even price. Consider adding a personal letter to stand out to the seller. Let's recap. You've learned the first 7 steps to buying a home. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover inspections, appraisals, and closing. Remember, breaking the process into steps makes it manageable. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to help others on their home buying journey. See you in the next video.